IIT activity from 9th class.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Kirtana from grade 9. My topic is surds. Surds are the square roots for the numbers. It is simplified into whole or rational numbers. Types of surds: binomial surds, mixed surds, simple surds, compound surds, pure surds, and surds of same order. Binomial surds, which consist of two terms, are called binomial surds. Example: 1 by root 2 minus root 19. Mixed surds. Mixed surds are the mix of rational and irrational numbers. Example: 2 4 root 5, 3 4 root 6, 5 4 root 3. Simple surds, which are written in the simplest form, are called simple surds. Root 3, 2 root 5. Compound surds, which composed of two terms, are called compound surds. Example: root 5 plus root 7, root 5 minus root 7. Pure surds, which consist of a single irrational number, are called pure surds. Example: 4 root 7, 5 root 49. Surds of same order. Example: 3 root 5, 3 root 10. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Farhan from class 9. Natural numbers. The numbers, the counting starting from 1, 2, 3 and infinite it is denoted by the letter N, is called natural numbers. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Vaishnav from 9th standard. All numbers, the numbers which are start from 0 to infinity. W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, infinity. Thank you.
Integers, whole numbers along with negative numbers, it is denoted by letter Z. Thank you.
Rational numbers, the numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, is called rational numbers.
Irrational numbers, the numbers which does not express in the form of P by Q. P comma Q belongs to integers. Q not equal to 0, it is called irrational numbers. It is denoted in the S. Real numbers, the numbers which are a combination of rational and irrational numbers, is called real numbers. It is denoted as capital R. These all are real numbers. Thank you. Myself Nandini, I am from 8th standard. Today my topic is real numbers. Real numbers divided into two parts: rational numbers, irrational numbers. Rational numbers which are in P by Q form are called rational numbers. Irrational numbers which are not in P by Q form are called irrational numbers. Rational numbers divided into two parts: integers, fractions. Integers, combination of negative numbers with whole numbers. Fractions, which have fractional form. For example, 1 by 2 form, 5 by 3, 7 by 5. Integers, divided into two parts: whole numbers, negative numbers. Whole numbers, counting starts from 0. Negative numbers, which have negative value, are called negative numbers. Example: -3, -2, -1, so on. Whole numbers divided into two parts: natural numbers, 0. Natural numbers, counting starts from 1, 0, which have 0 value. Natural numbers divided into two parts: even numbers, odd numbers. Even numbers which are exactly divided by 2 are called even numbers. Odd numbers which exactly not divided by 2 are called odd numbers. Even numbers divided into two parts: composite numbers, prime numbers. Composite numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Prime numbers which have only two fractions are called prime numbers. One and itself only. Thank you. Formulas: root a into root b equals to root ab. Root a by b is equals to root a by root b. B is equals to not equals to 0. Root a plus root b into root a minus root b is equals to a minus b. A plus root b into a minus root b is equals to a minus b. Root a plus root b is equals into root b plus root b is equals to root ac plus root ad plus root bc plus root bd. Root a plus b plus 2 root b is equals to root a plus root b. Thank you. Real formulas: root a into root b is equals to root ab. Second formula: root a by root b is equal to root a by b is not is equal to 0. Formula 3, a root plus b root into a root minus b root is equal to a minus b.
root a plus root b whole square to a plus b whole square a b plus b.
Root 7 root a plus root b is equal plus 2 root a b is equal to 2 root a plus root b.